Okay, there.
Picture eh.
Picture tayo kasi wala.
Let's call on.
Bernay, Sabina Sevilla, Ameline Carr, Astrid Valiente, Marilyn Costello, Marlene Mandos, Mercado Soriano, Lani Buwan, Milagros de la Cruz, Maria Rosana Cruz.
Ba't si Coneta graduate ka?
Sangongo, Roxanne Niño, Marilo Belisario, Teresa Onrade, Raylani Solomon Delfin, Jolie Labasel, Monolin Joaquin, Maria Evelyn Da, Jolie Tupinyo, Merla Morales, Chernalyn Osano Mamon, Imelda Sablaon, Maricon Zamora,
Osano naman, Chernalyn.
Marivic Lodada Castro, Analiza Gutierrez, Marivic Pilonio, Rosita Ortez, Elma Alfaro.
O, Singapore na sa.
Marami tayo. Bakit ba tayo?
Recently, R2S Bachman graduates from Pakistan. Mr. Mozam Fayaz, Dr. Ijaz Hussain, Miss Aisha Mirza, Miss Nagina Babar, Mr. Sakawat Noor, Mr. Hunain Iqbal, Mr. Kamar Zaman, Mr. Ahmed Muhammad, Miss Laila Hussein, Miss Shumaila Zishan, Mr. Muhammad Zishan Afsad, Mr. Imnas Hussein, Mr. Kamber Hassan, Mr. Anas Rahman, Mr. Farouk Dawood, Mr. Arshad Munir, Mr. Muhammad Nadim, Mr. Muhammad Junaid, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim, Mr. Syed Jawad Hassan, Mr. Etisham Udin Khan.
Yo, Singapore?
Graduates from Singapore Batch 1, Annalyn Balita, Angel Ryan Pungon Imbora, Lilia Pilar,
Ano pangalan ko?
Bakit? Hindi mo maasin eh.
Adeline Kita, Joy Mirayor, Merna Almeol,
Yung pangalan ko?
Natividad
Kahit siya lagi.
Jeremy, Nomer Bartolata Teresita Mendoza, Emma Pagela,
Yes! Pero yung nag-iba kahit naman sa
Zona Cañada, Gonzalo Marites Soriano, Imelda Guanacrea, Josephine C. Eleazar Minor, Maria Leni Tamayon, Stanley, graduate from Taiwan, Miss Maria Rosalie Imperial,
Pinatinan niya lahat yung mga graduate.
Mr.
Sa Adrian wala?
Curada,
Baliktad sa inyo.
Mr. Edward Lacno,
Baka nagkamali sila.
Ibig sabihin, puro remedial lang yung tinanong. Pwede ba yan?
Junior, Miss Annie Bapa,
Pwede yung basta
Miss Maranya, Miss Amalia,
siguro. Hindi siya
Miss Mihares,
Hindi kompleto.
Mr. Henry Ochis, Miss Marisa Ortiga,
lang tayo.
Miss Hannah Palma, Miss Laarni Pamplona,
Hindi na kompleto.
Miss Lizelle Consoy, Miss Sandra Panto, Miss Paula Chen, Miss Nancy, Miss Nancy
Sino yung wala sa atin?
Miss Dal, Miss Sandra Daya,
screenshot ko eh.
Miss
Yan.
Mary Joy
Dami kasi nag-message.
Evelyn Mukti, Miss Rita Ford Enriquez, Miss
Bakit nila
Nelia
tinapos eh?
Yoko,
Ilan tayo lang?
Maria Gabino, Miss Nordy
Hindi naman siya
Miss
Hindi man kasi may message.
Ellen Winterfer,
Meron ka din?
Miss John
Hindi
Mo,
ka talaga nag-enroll.
Sabay na tayo.
Presenting graduates from United Arab Emirates, Miss Rosalina Panganiban, Miss Rizal Cabana, Jonah Ann Gadayan, Miss Wilma Albani, Mr. Roldan Ligutan, Miss Teresa Albor, Miss Michelle Cabrillos, Miss Lailani Bacani, Miss Jenny Periabras, Miss Maria Durley Siambao, Miss Romelia Banyares,
Siyang bahal.
Mr. Danilo Gordo,
Hindi nag-practice
Miss
ang basahin
Myla
mo.
Convention, Miss Juby Tokmo, Mr. Alan Pahita, Mr. Juliet Anglo,
Oh, Mr. Juliet.
Mila Imelda Dapnes, Mr. Lester Boysilio, Miss Maria Cristina Abel.
Sir Maria.
Nalasing sa sayo kanina.
From Saudi Arabia, Miss Juliet Casano, Miss Evelyn Ferrer, Miss Selgi Gianan. From Oman, Miss Radonna Valdez. From Jordan, Miss Edita Orenza, Miss Florida Blanca Sanchez.
Kailan last day ng ano natin, ng contest natin dito?
Nandun sa instruction.
All right. Wow. Sir Adrian, are you there? Congratulations to all the graduates of Region 7 and Region 8 coming from different countries in Middle East and Asia Pacific.
Okay, by the way, Nico, let's remind everyone that their certificates will be given to them. Okay, just wait for the instructions from the different country managers, their certificates.
Yes, of course, everybody will have a copy of their certificates of the starter class coming from their coordinators and country managers.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Once again, congratulations to all the first batch of graduates.
Yes. We are very excited to welcome you on the Builders class. And it's more about duplication, right, Sir Adrian? I'm so excited about that, right? But of course, before we move on, Sir Adrian, I think this is the time we would like to hear someone coming from these regions that we just introduced right now. Let us call on one cheerleader that will actually represent Region 7 and Region 8 to actually share us a wonderful experience in a roadmap to success.
I agree with you, Dr. Nico. So without much further ado, let's all welcome Mr. Alan Pahita.
Yes, from UAE!
Ikaw ang tagal na yun.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Nico and Adrian. I'm very grateful to be part of this program and very grateful to be part of this class. And to all my classmates all over the world, congratulations to all of us. And I'm very happy. It seems like I feel like in my high school day in the college days that I heard the music and it's only one by one playing, you know. And the good thing is this, everyone is like, you know, everyone has just got their diploma already. They already graduated from this class. Without further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Alan Pahita and I'm currently working right now. Literally working. I'm actually right here in our site office. I'm working as an architect here. And I'm just inside the meeting room. I hope that you can hear me well because there's an echo coming. Okay. So, let me congratulate each and every one of you. Well, let me begin with this. Everyone experienced these things. I believe that last 2020, when this pandemic came, it's unprecedented. I'm the type of person, I'm the type of distributor that normally talks in front physically. I invite people, I prospect people outside the street, talking to different people. I'm not used to be online. That's the situation and that's the big challenges for me. When this pandemic came, everyone stopped. So it means being the leader of my group, some of them already also stopped doing the business because they see me that not very active online. I don't know what to do. Basically, it's very difficult for me. Although previously we're talking about Facebook, but if you are used to talk in front of many people, it's very difficult. But when they introduce that there's an upcoming training or some class about online training about R2S, I'm the first person that's very, very excited because for me, I believe that this kind of training will boost me, will help me a lot. And indeed, in the past 3 months or more, I learned a lot of things. A lot of things. Maybe some of you here might think that the one that we learn is basic. Actually, it's not. It's basic, yes, outside. But in this world right now, we need to adapt. We need to accept, we need to embrace the situation right now. If we're not going to adapt, we're not going to learn new things, we will be left behind. I hope you can understand what I'm telling. Because there's one saying that if you stop learning, nothing will happen to you. You know what, guys? This is the first time to talk with online with more than 700 people online in different parts of the world. Normally I talk to people but in the wild space only. And this is the very, very first time. And when Ma'am Ira told me that I will share, I don't know the feeling of how to share what I'll share to you guys because right now I didn't prepare any speech. It's just coming from my heart, what I've learned, what I experienced. And I believe this kind of training, today, I graduated right now, I can give more moral to my group again. Okay, I started again to boost online, I can conduct videos online, I can prospect more, not only outside, not only the physical thing, but right now, the good thing with our technology, we can reach in these different people in different places. That's the beauty of this thing. And you know what, guys? Let me share you this. From the very start, I joined in Global. From the promise, from the management, from DOCL, from the board of directors. They're telling me it's a product Victor. Yes, indeed. Because up to this moment, up to this situation right now, they didn't let us behind. They made a program for us to adopt the changes. And the good thing with this, believe me, in the